Our most lightweight, breathable, long wear. Hello guys, welcome to today's video. I had to film this video. Everybody's talking about this new L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Freshwear Foundation. So I ran into a drugstore this morning and sure enough, the shade that I needed was sold out, so I had to look more. Yeah, and the shade that I do have is 140, which is golden beige and golden beige. Sorry, I don't know what's wrong. I cannot stop laughing. It's the coffee, I believe. Yeah, so I was like, you know what? I wanted to try it, I wanted to test it out, and I wanted to tell you if it's worth of your money, but probably it is. So actually on the L'Oreal's page says that this is supposed to be medium to full buildable coverage that lasts all day and allows skin to breathe, which everybody likes. So we'll see about that. Absorbs, resists sweat, water, and transfer. Wow. It also contains SPF. Well, let's just jump into this tutorial. So usually, you know, I start with my eyes, but today I'll start with my foundation, obviously. It comes in a pump, which I do really like. And I did prime my face with, what was it, NYX No Filter? Yeah, NYX No Filter. NYX No Filter Blurring Primer. I don't need 3 pumps. It's really liquidy. See? I'm using my beauty blender. And do I have any mirror here, please? No. The girl has no mirror. Yeah. Why this on a camera looks so yellow? You know what? I'm thinking to wearing this makeup for 24 hours. I'm not sure. I won't say I will. I would love to. Actually, I would hate to do that. I hate to leave my makeup on. Seriously. That's the worst thing you can do to your skin, actually. I do love to take time to apply my foundation. Okay, so let me just zoom in a little bit. So this is just one coat of foundation. So this side is with foundation, this one is without, which you can tell I do have a redness. And it did cover it really good. I would say this one is more on a matte side, but it does have a satin finish though. It's not completely matte, so it does have a luminosity to it. But I will go again with some more product just to kind of see what happens. But for now, I do love the coverage. I like the way it blends actually. And I'm going in now on this side, and I will be using a brush. And just in case you're new on this channel, I do have really dry skin. So I do love to moisturize my skin before applying makeup because it is so dry. So we have this side with a beauty blender and then this side with the oval brush. Honestly, I do like both sides. But anyways, it blends perfectly with either like with a sponge or with a brush. I need some highlight. So that will be it. It was around 12:30 when I started to do this makeup, and we'll just finish the rest of my face and I will be back. So this is the final look for today, and I'm going to take a lunch and I will check in with you later to see how everything goes. Yep, that will be all. So I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, so it is 4 p.m. and what do we got? So as I'm looking into my forehead, sounds weird, but I like so much how it looks. Right here, you can see my fine lines. No excessive shine whatsoever. You know what? I think I'll have to try it more, but I think that this foundation, I think it resists humid really well. So far, except for my highlighter. Everything is stayed put, it's matte, and yeah, it's just the same the way when I apply it. Honestly, it does look like I've just applied the foundation. Seriously, it does. It's been hours, but it really does look like I've just put my foundation on right now. For my skin type, I do miss a little bit of luminosity, because this foundation has no shine whatsoever. No, once it sets, that's it. Like on its own, like I said, it has a little bit of satin finish. Other than that, no. Okay, see you later. Hey guys, so it is 7 p.m. and I don't know when I will be home to get in my studio and check everything out. So far, so good, I think. Everything is still in place, except for my lip gloss, of course. Okay, so we'll check in probably before I go to sleep, and then probably I will go sleep with my makeup. We'll see. So I'm finally home, and let's see, what do we got? Oh boy, this is so much light in almost 9 in the evening for me. If I do exclude that I do crease a little bit under my eye, OMG. How long has been now? So 9 hours? Everything is in place. Cannot wait to see what's gonna happen tomorrow. Oh, and just before I go, let's see if this is really transfer proof. Okay, obviously I do have a blush, but I'm pressing really hard. So I'm going to take off my lashes and do some other work that I have to do, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is 12:30 next day and I'm still wearing my makeup. Well, I did take off my eyelashes, but OMG. First thing, I did not break out at all. I think I'll know when I take off my makeup, but I don't feel like anything. Last time I slept in my makeup was a while ago, and actually I didn't take it all off. I just left a little bit, and immediately like I got those few breakouts, and I was like, oh my god, it was so bad. But this time nothing, so I'm thumbs up for that. It's been almost 25 hours. Is it still fresh wear? I would say yes, except for my under eye area, which is a little bit dry, but I wanted to record before when I got up, but I had to do my client's makeup, and I went there and she was like, oh, you look natural today. I'm like, guess what? I'm wearing this for 22 hours. Are you going to get your money's worth out of this product? Absolutely yes. And I'm holding my bottle like this. And I was watching foundation yesterday on my hand, and it's still here, it didn't wash out. So obviously you do need a makeup remover to remove this foundation. So unless you say it's done, it will stay there. So for everybody who watched entire video, thank you so much, and I do have a little giveaway for you. This is automatic eyeliner. This one is from Makeup Factory. Eyeliner for your waterline would be awesome, especially now during this spring and summer times. So I will be giving away this automatic eyeliner to one of you. All you have to do is to write anything in a comment section down below, anything about this foundation. If you already tried it, how was it, your experience, or what do you think me wearing this foundation, anything regarding this foundation, just write in the comment section down below, and one of you will get this awesome automatic eyeliner from Makeup Factory. And as always guys, thank you for hanging out with me, and I will see you as always in my next video. Bye!